The thrusters. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen, Jack. That wasn't supposed to happen, whatever that was. I don't even know what that was. Way down over this way is where we're usually at. I see the rust bucket down there a little bit. Fishing pier views, beach views. It's absolutely beautiful, but it is hot. Hello, Florida, they said. Welcome in. Oasis at the seas. Beautiful. They just scared me. Oh, so something shoots those out of there? Is that what that was? They did just shoot one. They shoot them suckers out of there. They got like t-shirt cannons for that thing. Sweet. So look, I just got to Jetty Park and already we got a SpaceX. I think this is to retrieve the boosters. Doug, I'm not exactly sure. Right here when I get out the car. That's right, I'm at Jetty Park once again here. It's Tuesday around 10:30 a.m. because Oasis of the Seas is actually coming here as a port of call today. So I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna show you one of the cool views you could get if you happen to be lucky enough to catch a port of call cruise ship coming into Port Canaveral. In my opinion, one of the cool places you can watch them come in. I'm gonna show you that, and then we'll head down to Grills and see what we can see down there. Let's go. All right, right here off the Jetty Park fishing pier, the beach access area. I come out to look, and I don't know if you can quite see it. I'll have to do some real zooming, but I do see Oasis of the Seas out here. So it's 10:34. I'm gonna check cruise mapper, and I'll take a shot of that. And you can see where it shows that it is on the map at the moment, and where we can see her. She's pretty far out there. 10:34. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I got out there a little early. It was hot. I had to get back in the car in the air conditioner. But I seen this pilot boat coming from my car and decided maybe it's getting closer. I usually judge it like that when we're live streaming. But also I just want to tell you, anywhere you see water in Jetty Park, all this views, anywhere you see you can get next to water is a great view for a cruise ship's sail away out here or a cruise ship arrival, either one. So if you come to Jetty Park, it's definitely one of the best spots. You can get some amazing views, and anywhere near the water, you can see the cruise ships coming right by you. But where I'm going to show you now, take two, I think it's a really cool spot, unique spot to watch these cruise ships coming in, especially in the middle of the day. It is hot though. All right, we're out here, pretty much near the end of the fishing pier. It is beautiful out here. Port Canaveral, Jetty Park. Way down over this way is where we're usually at. I see the rust bucket down there a little bit. Fishing pier views, beach views. It's absolutely beautiful, but it is hot. As you can see, there's no shade. All right, and this is the spot right here, and this is why. We got a great spot as she enters Jetty Park from the end of the fishing pier. As you can see, it's quiet down here. Sounds of the waves, the boats, and the beautiful Oasis of the Seas. The sail away tonight is scheduled for 8 p.m. Eastern time. So I'll probably give these guys all about, 7 hours to do things in Jetty Park, Port Canaveral area. I mean, some people on Port of Call go out to Disney Springs. You could go to the Kennedy Space Center, Cocoa Beach. But yeah, they should have a few hours while they're here. We usually live stream these cruise ships on their way out every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Cruise fam, look at this. This is what I love. Different views, different spot. Hello, Florida, they said. Welcome in. Oasis at the Seas. Beautiful. All right. Now, like I said, we're going to try to get down to Grills where it's docking at Terminal 1.
Look at the difference between that cruise and that cruise. What? How do they have a... Look at the other...
I love it. People geeking out about the Oasis of the Seas out here. Water's kicking up because of Oasis of the Seas out here. Anyway, I'm trying to get back to my car. They're about to pass each other, the Rust Bucky, Oasis of the Seas. That looks tight right there. I don't know how much room that was, but good job both yes. So I'm back down on the main ramp here. My car's down that way. I'm gonna try. Oh man, they're going. If they don't turn around, we'll probably already be docked when we get there, but we'll see. But y'all, it's hot. Just walking fast to try to get down there was not a great idea. Florida, summer, 11 o'clock. Actually, let me see. Oh, here comes the tour helicopter. That's a good timing, whoever's doing that one. It is 11:08. So 11:08. It's just now passing where we would be at Jetty Park. It's hot, but it's a beautiful day out here. Look at this. Rust bucket. I'm gonna go get in that AC, drive down, and try to show y'all as it's getting docked there by Grills. Let's go. All right, so there's Cruise Terminal 1 right there. I just parked over in this 2-hour parking spot for sunrise. Oasis looks like it's just gonna dock facing this way if it's not already docked. And Grills is up here. I'm gonna show you that spot I was talking about in a moment. But look at this from Terminal 1. This is where they're coming. So maybe they still will turn around. We're gonna find out in a second. But I think we're all right. I think we got good time to be able to actually see her coming in and dock. They got the line guys out here. That's what that truck is. But I'm gonna show you inside Grills. There's an awesome spot to watch this happen. There's somebody on that helicopter tour. But so here we go. We're out on the deck out here of Grills. I showed you guys this spot. We just did a video eating here in that fish lips to show you the views. That's 1888-FORRIDE. If you want that helicopter tour, I'll show you that. Oh, and there's Bob. That's Bob. We saw Doug when we first started this video. Apparently that's Bob. Ooh, it is so hot out here, but beautiful views, I'm telling you. So close right now, look. See, these guys are getting out, getting ready. Line crews on it here in Port Canaveral, everybody. We ain't playing around. Oasis of the Seas, docking in Terminal 1. I'm standing in the back side of Grills out here in the port. Anyway, it's like they're so like gently using the thrusters. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen, Jack. That wasn't supposed to happen, whatever that was. Something just happened right here. The dangers of docking. You never know what's going to happen. Y'all good? I don't even know what that was. So that had something to do with the thing that they're going to throw over to these guys on the dock, one of the lines. It must be attached to one of the other lines. I'm not sure, but that's what that noise was. Something popped. Like something was caught or stuck and popped. Thank you. Here he goes. And miss. Come on, brother. We're watching you, brother. You got this. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I'm using my phone instead of the camera with the gimbal right now, and it's hot, and I'm shaking. My man, come on. You got it. There he goes. He's whipping that thing this time. Touchdown. You made it, buddy. So that line that they threw is attached to one of the main lines, the big heavy ones. You see how it's coming down? And so that's how they're gonna get those lines up to the shoreline. They're gonna loosen them out. They're dropping down. These guys have the other end and it's attached. And so then they just hook it to the truck. They pull it in and then that's how they hook them. Oh, so something shoots those out of there? Is that what that was? I think that just shot out of that thing. Anyway, here they go. Hooking them up. Pulling those lines in. They'll hook the big ones around. And then she'll be attached. They did just shoot one. They shoot them suckers out of there. They got like t-shirt cannons for that thing. Sweet. You guys see those sea turtles in the corner? They're little sea turtles just hanging out. I'll zoom in on it if you can't. Look at these. They got them pretty shells too, I see ya. And there you have it, your Oasis of the Seas. She's here. That was cool. It's very hot. I'm sweating. We're gonna head back to the car. Hope you got to enjoy that. We're in Port Canaveral. Oasis of the Seas is docked. It's good to go. Now, let's say you just got off this cruise ship in about 30 minutes or so, whatever it takes them to get off. And you're like, man, I wonder what the bird's view was when we rolled into Jetty. I'm gonna show you how you can get that bird's view. So this is that helicopter you've been seeing flying over there. They do cruise ship specific tours that aren't very expensive. Just remember when you see the price, it's a minimum of 2 people, even if you're by yourself. But I'm not gonna do that today, but I will pop a video. I'll pop a quick highlight in there from when we have done that so you can see what kind of awesome views you could get. And also, if I look to my right to the right of that tower, you can see a little grill sign and you can see Oasis of the Seas over there, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, smash that like button for me. And I got more videos coming out. We'll be back live Friday from Port Canaveral to live stream all these cruise ships leaving here. Thank you so much for watching Chase Us Around Town. My name's Chase. Thank you, cruise fam and cruise fans. I'll see you next time.